Valentine's Day, everyone. Today on the show, let's talk about condoms, proposals, engagements, wedding, and a baby. Well, that's a natural progression, and Kababayan LA starts right now. Isang maalab na pagbati po ng magandang hapon mga kababayan. Ngayon po ay labing-apat na araw ng buwan ng Pebrero, araw ng mga puso, araw ng pag-ibig sa Kababayan LA. We're gonna be talking about that on the show. Remember, there was a couple here that got engaged live on Kababayan LA 3 years ago. Whatever happened to them? They're here to give us an update on what happened, and there will be some surprises perhaps for us as well. They're going to be joining us later on the show, so stick around for that. Pero bago ang lahat, kakaiba namang selebrasyon ng Valentine's Day sa Pilipinas. Alamin po natin ang detalye mula sa balita.
Pinoy na Pinoy, Weekend Balita.
Magandang hapon, Ronnie Ligo, Editor-in-Chief of Midweek and Weekend Balita.
Mapulang.
Yes, magandang hapon sa iyo. Happy Valentine's Day.
Oo, sa inyo rin, ano? Isang pulang magbati po sa lahat po na nanonood ng Kababayan LA. Happy Valentine's po sa inyong lahat.
Ayan. Ikaw ba, nag-celebrate ka na ba nung weekend o magse-celebrate ka pa lang tonight?
Actually, nung Sabado, kasi birthday na misis ko noong February 8, so lahat kami nag-celebrate ng isang kainan kasama yung isang katutak niyang kamag-anak. Ano? Meron akong natanggap na Valentine's card sa aking sasakyan. So,
oh, how sweet naman. Ronnie, different kind of celebration for the people in Cebu, in the Philippines. Anong nangyari?
Oo, no, sa Cebu, no, nag-distribute daw sila ng 10,000 condoms, no, para sa mga, well, ang sinasabi nila, no, dahil although Valentine's Day, para daw ito sa mga sex workers at saka yung mga for the prevention of AIDS, no?
Okay.
Pero alam naman natin kasi last year or the last time, ano, yung dating Secretary ng Health Department, criticize siya ng Catholic Bishop Conference of the Philippines kasi nga nagpo-promote daw ito ng premarital sex.
Okay, let's talk about this first. You mentioned priority to sex workers and HIV-infected people. I have two questions regarding this. First, yung sex workers. How do we know who are the sex workers? Because if we compare ourselves, our nation to Thailand, hindi legal ang prostitution in the Philippines. So, hindi talaga registered itong mga sex workers na ito.
Totoo yan, supposedly, no? Pero sa atin, alam naman natin, yung mga tinatawag na dating saunabat na naging health spa na nga ang bagong pangalan. Alam naman natin, iba dyan, ginagamit na front for prostitution. At yun na nga, hindi naman siguro nila ito maiiwasan, no? Yung mga ganitong klaseng bagay. So, as a matter of, prevention, so kung alam nila nga yung mga nangangailangan tao ng condoms, ay libre silang makakakuha nito for those who need it.
Alright, HIV-infected people, not too long ago, we talked about that. There's a sharp rise of cases in the Philippines. How do we know who are those infected? Are they giving free screenings? And are the people really getting tested?
Oo, the reason why you said na nalaman natin, ano, that there has been an increase, there have been testing going on. Lahat ng mga, kasi especially yung mga health spa, they are required by the health owners, no, mag-conduct sila ng sarili ng test para sa kanilang mga tauhan, ano, at para malaman natin kung talagang kumakalat ito. Just as a way of preventing it, you know, so kailangan mag-test sila. At ito na nga, just imagine 10,000 condoms just in Cebu alone. Imagine kung buong bayan natin ang isipin natin, ilang condoms kayang kailangan natin.
At siguro talagang nagagalit na naman ngayon ang Catholic Bishops Conference of the Philippines. But, you know, that's a different story. We'll discuss that later. Has something to do with this. The next news story, Aquino government has no population growth target, which I think, Ronnie, is absurd. For a developing country like the Philippines, we need to have population control.
Oo, no? Just to give our viewers a perspective, ano, ang ating pong population is 99 to 100 million na nga yata, compared that to the United States, which is 300 million. Ang United States is 30 times bigger, no, compared to the Philippines, no, land area, no. So, makita natin kung gaano karami ang ating mga kababayan sa bansang Pilipinas. So, ngayon, meron tayong tinatawag, i-introduce sa Kongreso, no, yung dating reproductive health bill na ngayon pinalitan nila responsible parenthood bill na ngayon. Ito nga, maraming lumalaban dito sa parenthood bill na ito. Sinasabi nila, nagpo-promote daw ng, yun na nga, paggamit ng contraceptives.
Okay, basically
in-
the opposition is coming from the Catholic Church. Now, meanwhile,
That's
Ronnie,
true.
Pinoy has been really changing his sides on this when he was still campaigning. He talked about pursuing this reproductive health bill, and now that he's in power, mukhang hindi ito nasa priority ni Pangulong Noynoy Aquino.
That's true. Nabanggit mo na nga, Janelle, no? Mayroon siya mga ibang sinasabi sa kanyang health sector, pero itong ang reproductive health bill o pagkontrol sa ating population mukhang hindi binibigyan ng pansin. I think because, ito personal na opinion ko, because of the pressures coming from the Catholic Church.
Okay, truly a controversial topic. Let's end today's segment, Ronnie, with good news naman. Alaminos City is now the world's underwater wedding capital.
Oo, sinasabi na 100 cases at 100 islands, At ito kaibigan ko to, si Alaminos City Mayor Nani Braganza, dating congressman, at siya mismo ang nag-officiate ng underwater wedding ng dalawang couple sa Alaminos, ito may pinopromote nila itong 100 islands na maging underwater wedding capital of the world.
How nice. And this is underwater wedding capital of the world, not just of the Philippines. So we wish them well, and sana suportahan sila ng Philippine tourism in this effort.
That's true.
Maraming
salamat po sa inyo.
Okay, and happy Valentine's Day to you as
Sa
well.
iyo rin, Janelle.
Yan po ang mga balita mula sa Midweek and Weekend Balita. For more information, log on also to their revamped website. Very, very nice, easy to navigate, www.balita.com. Magbabalik pa po ang Kababayan LA. Don't go away.